I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember?
Hi guys, and welcome back. For today's video, I'll be doing a review slash taste test of one of my really good friends' business, and you know your girl had to support. And the good thing about it is, y'all, I love sushi. I love sushi, and her business is Big Bite Sushi. I'll just put it right here and get in contact with her. But yeah, I'm going to do the taste test so y'all can get my honest opinion on the sushi that we got. Let me get into this taste test video. My plate here, yeah, soy sauce in a little container. This is ginger, and they had wasabi on top. Y'all, I went and play Bajan, and I really lick my finger, come my finger touch the wasabi now, and ooh, that spice went straight up my nose. They're looking so good. I have my chopsticks. Forgive me, but I don't know the names of most of these rolls. I am going to taste and figure it out. So let's start with let me dip it in some. That one was definitely spicy tuna. That's definitely spicy. Oh my goodness. The tuna just like melting in your mouth. I'm in love already. I'm in love. Next one. I'm just going to drizzle some. Okay, so this one was something with shrimp. Maybe a shrimp roll. Y'all, she'll correct me when she see this here. Y'all, I'm in heaven with these sushi. This is the other one. And I can already see that this is probably like a chicken strip something. Just dip it in.
Thank you for this information. It's been very helpful.
Soy sauce. Perfect. You all had to try this here. All you had to try this here. So I will leave all the information right here. So make sure and go and check it out, because trust me, this tasting real good. And for people who don't like so much of the rawness of sushi, so far the shrimp, I think, and the chicken that I just ate, it's cooked. So you're getting the look of the sushi and all of that, but it's not the rawness you're getting. So which is perfect for some of you guys who don't like that, the idea of eating like raw food. This is perfect for you all. But I am enjoying myself, so I'm just going to finish these that I have here. And you all saw how much sushi we got there, so I am in my zone right now. I just need to focus on eating this food, so I'll check back with you after I finish. Okay, also I just finished eating the sushi, and I'm not ashamed to say that I ate it all. Well, except minus two, because you know I had to share with my husband. But yeah, I ate it all. And you see the one in that little kind of cupcake kind of holder thing. I feel like that one take my heart. Then probably the tuna, the spicy tuna, because I love spice. So the spicy tuna, the shrimp, the chicken, and I think they had a veggie one there too. But you all know I love my meat. So yeah, that's my rating there. I loved it. So now, oh yeah, we had to take down this Christmas tree because it is I think the 15th. Today's the 15th. And y'all, I just too lazy to take it down, but we are going to take it down today. But I do have to wash my hair because it has a bunch of products inside and it's just feeling heavy. So I do have to wash my hair. So I'm going to wash my hair, bathe and all of that, and then probably in the evening we'll take down the tree. So yeah. Okay, Olia. So I tired. I eat my belly full and I want to sleep right now. So if it's anything, it will be late tonight. I will take down that tree because I need to sleep. Like my belly is full. I need to sleep. Okay, I'm going to end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed my little review of Big Bite Sushi. Y'all, it was delicious. I am sleepy. I can barely keep my eyes open. But I know that when I finish the that tree, it's gonna be late and all might get to see me properly. And yeah, so I'm doing the outro now. So I really hope that you guys did enjoy this video, and I hope to see you back for another. Don't forget to share my video with your family and friends, and I'll see you in the next one. Time to take down this Christmas tree.